got this out of the box. I have not completely assembled it yet. I thought I'd bring you guys along for the entire start to finish. And the thing I'm curious about is we'll do an experiment. We'll set a stopwatch once I get everything going and get it primed, and we'll see how long it takes to stain my utility building. I'm thinking it's going to be less than 10 minutes, so we'll see if I'm close with my guess. Anyway, let's get busy. All right, so this is the Magnum unit itself. It has a line with the filter built in. This is for your waste. You have two lines. This one goes into your source. I like the way they store this and the way that's set up. This is a lever you pull to prime it. This is for your output to the hose. I'll hook that up in a minute. And then this is the hose, and it's got a really awesome spray gun. It has a lock, and I'm really looking forward to doing this. And it has a really cool feature. You know, when you're going straight out of the can, and even though you've got a nice mesh screen, you could still get some things in there in the line. And so if your sprayer nozzle, if it clogs, you just flip this the other way and shoot it again. It shoots the clog out. You turn it back around and you go right back to spray, and you don't miss a beat. That is a really cool feature, so I'm looking forward to using that. So anyway, I'm gonna get everything hooked up, and then we will get started with doing this for the first time and see how she goes. Okay guys, everything is primed, hooked up, and ready to go. I have already primed the line, got the stain up, and we're ready to kick off. Just for the fun of it, I've got my stopwatch out. I'm going to start it now, and let's just have some fun and see what this does. Okay guys, so I had to go with another paint can. Now that I've got a little bit better hang of this, I'll go in a little more detail on how you get it set and primed. It's pretty straightforward, but in some of the other videos that I've seen, they kind of fast forward through this part. So I thought I'd take it slow for you guys and go in detail. So first thing you want to do is, with this off, you turn this all the way down, and if you look, you'll see it says start, and then full. You go below the start, take it all the way down, and then you pull this up. That sets the prime. Turn it on, and then you slowly run it up to full, and it'll keep on. And you'll see the coming up, going down, and now it's primed. All right, you drop this down, and then turn this up past the start. I started off when I first was staining early in this video, and I had it here and it wasn't enough product coming out, so I went up just past, and now we turn on, and it's going to prep. Now it's all ready to go. Alrighty, and I'm going to pick up, as you saw, we did this side, or the back. Now I'm ready to do the sides. Guys, I was off by 2 minutes and 17 seconds to do the three sides, which we already knew was a given because I had done the front. 12 minutes and 17 seconds. Pretty awesome. Well guys, there you have it. End of a very quick afternoon. I cannot believe how fast this thing can spray. Just a quick update. I didn't cover all the video footage of the second coat. As I did, I showed you the first coat of the 3 sides because we already had the first side as you know, we hand brushed that. It was like 12 minutes and something. I went and did the second coat, and the whole thing was like 20 minutes to do 2 coats on 3 sides. Blew me away. It took me a minute to get used to the way to prime it, but now that I got a handle on it, I showed you guys that in the video. It's real easy, it's straightforward, and the cleanup is easy as well. So I am blown away how nice the Graco works, and definitely a great addition to the tools that I have. I'm so glad I got that, and I will do the final reveal and show you how great of a job it did. As you can see, now this is the side that had no stain on it, so I really throwed this to it on 2 coats on the second coat, and then the second coat on the other 2 sides was just a real light, fast coat. But as you can see, it turned out fantastic. And always remember, at Project Next, there's always one more, so we'll be seeing you again real soon. Catch you back here later. Take care. See you soon. Thanks.